Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we're at the Bahia Principe Grand Tulum and we're here in a premium superior 2-bedroom suite. So we're going to take a look at this room and show you what it has to offer. So this is one of the bedrooms over here, and then the other bedroom is just over here, and there's this sliding kind of door here that you can close off the 2 bedroom areas. The second bedroom actually is this pull-out couch. But it does pull out to a large bed here too, and there's a separate TV and a washroom in this area here too, so it is classified as 2 bedrooms. So we're going to start this tour off like we always do, just at the front entrance, and then we'll end over here in the second bedroom and out on the terrace. So as you come in through the front door right here, it's just off to the left side here, we have a closet, so we have some storage here. This is like open storage though, so that's sort of a little bit of a theme to this room where it's a little bit more open. There's not too many like closed closet spaces. We've got some hangers here, some more storage down here on these shelves, and this sliding door opens up and you can see there's some more space in here for your things. Lots of hangers up here, and then just over to the right side, or if you're walking in the door to the left, is the first bathroom. So there is 2 bathrooms in this suite, which is awesome, and they both are full bathrooms, so they have a shower and tub, and they also have the toilet just next to it there. I like this little window just here too, so it lets in some natural light. And then around the corner is the sink and the vanity area. There's lots of space here, again, more open storage where the towels are stored down here. And then we have a big mirror just there, a little vanity mirror as well, and some toiletries here that the hotel provides. So we've got this body clean conditioner, bath gel, and then some shampoo, and then some glasses to go along with this vanity area here. So as we walk into the suite here, we can see this big, large open space. So it's just the 2 of us here in this suite, so we're probably going to be using this as more of like a living room area. They've got like a little table over here, a TV on the wall, and as I said before, this big sofa that pulls out into a big bed to make for the second bedroom. But just to the right of that, there is a coffee nook area. So we've got some coffee cups, we've got a coffee maker here and some water. And then these are actually just our margaritas, the welcome drinks that the hotel provided when we came. Just underneath here, we've got a mini bar. I'll show you what's inside the mini bar here. I thought this was kind of cool. We've got the beer here is Dos Equis beer, and it's a Steve Aoki kind of themed or collaboration beer here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then we've got some soft drinks here. We've got some Fanta, Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola Light. And then just underneath the bar and the coffee area, there's some extra storage for your things here. There's even some drawers here too if you want to put your things here. Just to the left of that is the TV area. One thing I wanted to mention on the TV is that they actually have like media casting and Netflix logging in. So that's kind of cool. You could log in with your own Netflix account and watch and stream your favorite shows here on the TV here in the room. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then they also have all the different TV channels that you can access as you normally would expect in the hotel rooms. Like I said before, we've got a little seating area here with a table, the sofa, and then we've got this little island here with some seating. So we've got 4 little kind of bar stools. And the hotel was so gracious to provide us with this little welcome gift here. So they said, it says, "Welcome to Bahia Principe." And just wanted to say thank you to Bahia Principe for hosting us on this trip here. Over on the wall behind the sofa, we got some cool artwork. And just beside that is a thermostat that actually independently controls this room versus the other bedroom too. And then outside on the terrace here, I'll give you a little view out to see. Actually, we'll take a quick trip out there, but it is a little windy today. And then outside on the balcony, we've got 2 chairs and a little table, and then a drying rack for your bathing suits and towels and things here. And I like the little palm trees, the garden view we have here. It's kind of neat. There's some other buildings just over here too, but we got some good privacy with all the different trees here too. So just on the other side of the island here, I just also wanted to point out that there is a small little cupboard here, and that's just extra storage as well. There's all different switches around the room that obviously will control the different lighting, and there's USB chargers as well. I like these pennant lights hanging from the ceiling here over top of the island just to give it a little ambiance. Okay, so now that we've toured this first area here, just gonna kind of move through this sliding door here to the second bedroom. So yeah, this is the second bedroom. We've got some sort of a similar layout where we have like some storage over here just off to the side to the left, and then we have a bed. Like this is a permanent bed, this isn't a sofa bed, and we've got nightside table. So this is like the formal bedroom of the suite here, and then another TV on the wall here too. So just taking a little closer look at these things here. The inside table here has a phone to reach out to whoever you need to on your trip. We've got some extra switches on the wall here with USB and power for your devices. A reading lamp here, and then control for the aircon here in the room. There's a big mirror on just above the headboard, which makes it look even bigger in the room than it already does. We've got a big king-size bed here, and then just coming to the other side, we've got another end-side table. And just to note too, the end-side tables have extra storage in the bottom, and then similar switches and USB and power on this night-side table. One thing I wanted to point out too in the room is that the color scheme is quite nice here too. It's very light woods, so you can see across the headboard here. Very light whites, and then you can see the decor here, very light woods, very modern looking. These rooms are very new and refreshed. I think they were renovated within the last couple years of about 2020 and onwards. So yeah, so it's really nice and fresh in here, very modern. And then just beside the bed, we'll take a look at the terrace in just a second. It's gonna give us a very similar view as we saw last time. We've got an extra chair here with a little end table, a little reading lamp just there, and then the same TV we saw in the other room with access to Netflix, all your channels. And then just beside that, there's a small little table here with a little stool just below, some cool artwork on the wall. Never mind our luggage here, which is sort of where we just stored everything as we came into the room. But as you can see, you can probably put your luggage there too. And then just beside that, we've got the extra storage area over here, and then the second bathroom just here. On the other side of this little artwork here is the mirror for the bathroom. And I like how that's sort of like a soft divider between the bathroom and the bedroom, but it doesn't close it off, so it keeps it very nice and open looking through the whole area here. So if we walk into the bathroom here, there's a tall mirror here to make sure you're looking good before you head out for the day. And then we've got some extra storage here. We've got the shelves, we've got an in-room safe, some shelves up here too. We've got some extra hangers, similar to what we saw in the storage area in the front of the room when we walked in the front door. And then this slider door will open up, and we've got some extra things in here. We've got an ironing board, an iron, we've got an umbrella, and then some extra storage on the top and the bottom down here. So swinging around across from the storage area here, the closet, we've got the bathroom. So this is the other side of the mirror here. This is the mirror here at the vanity area. I really like these lights down underneath here. I think those actually look really nice at nighttime too. If you just wanted to use the washroom in the nighttime and you didn't want to turn all the lights in the room on, you can turn these on. It'll be quite nice at nighttime. We've got a sink here. We've got some toiletries provided by the hotel here, which will be refreshed by housekeeping. We've got another vanity mirror, and then some switches to control some of the lighting here in the bathroom. The shower in this bathroom is a stand-up shower. No tub here, but they do have the tub in the first bedroom, or the first bathroom that we saw earlier. We got another big window here to let some natural light in while you're having a shower. And this shower is a rainfall shower with a handle here. Just want to point out too, so I'm just in the shower, I'll close the door, and there's a little shelf system here too that you can put your things. So coming out of the bathroom and just looking over this way, this will be where the toilet's located, just here, just completing off the bathroom area. And then just underneath the vanity, we have a hairdryer and then some extra towels here. So yeah, so coming out of the bathroom and walking back into the bedroom area, we'll just take a look outside at the balcony, take a look at our view, which is going to be very similar to the last view we saw. And this will be where we end the video. But I just want to also mention too, we did tour some other rooms here at the Tulum, and we toured rooms at the other Bahia Principes on the resort complex, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to see some of those other tours. We did full tours of these resorts as well, and the buffets here offered at the Bahia Principe complex. But hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was helpful seeing what these suites look like here at the Bahia Principe Grand Tulum. That's going to do it for our video. So if you have any questions, you can leave them down in the comments. We're always happy to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.